Time to taste. Let me show the power of this HALEEM. First of all, a little bit of lemon, of course. And now, the pull test. Let's see if it holds itself. Look at that. Can you see this? Have a close look. How it's holding onto itself. Sublime. Perfect. Well done, Madhya. But first, let's make the masala mix. Now cook it for about hour and a half until the meat falls off the bone and it's really soft and falls apart. Discard any bones. And now moving on to the grain mix. Don't worry, everything is listed in the description box below. Now cook the grains for about half an hour. Do whatever you want to do, but do not skip this step. Please do not use a blender or a handheld grinder because that will ruin the texture. If you want to achieve a proper HALEEM, then this is the way to go. This is a ghotna, a traditional mixer masher, or you can use a potato masher as well. And mash until you see the air pockets developing in this HALEEM. It will all be a lovely fluffy mixture. Get the best man in your household and make him do this. Chalo ji, shuru ho jao. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, indeed. And now it's time to prepare the tadka or the tempering. It gives a really nice taste, but it's completely optional. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.